yourself fast. Am I audible? Is the screen visible? Do let me know in the chat box. Do let me know in the chat box. Good evening, everyone. We shall just wait for 2 more minutes so that some more students can join us. Yes, Aditi. Just few more seconds to go. Till then, please turn on your videos. Beta, Latika, Harsh, Aarti, Ananya, Jeevan, uh, Vardhan, Atvika, Samyukta, Kritika, Shanmukha, Hanshuma, Navneet, Tejas, Dinesh, Lavanesh. None of you have turned on your camera, beta. None of you. And there are so many more. So many. What happened, Kavya?
Classes are there of average? Ma'am, how many classes are there of average?
Today is the last class, beta, for average.
Ma'am, you give us test.
I gave you the questions to practice related with the topic that we already did. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Dharmik. Yes, Akshay Dharmik.
Today will your previous year questions, ma'am.
Yes, beta. But before starting anything, I have few names with me. List of names that I got from the management. And these are the one, those who don't submit their assignment, those who don't do their homework. Let me call out their name. And there are so many. I cannot call out the name of each and every one. But if I see anyone in front of me in the class, I shall just ask you to raise your hand and you have to. This is okay. So Hazik, raise your hand, dear. Hazik, raise your hand. I'll take the name of those who are active in the class and ask me doubts like Hazik, Rutvik, Riddhiman, Sanvi, Kartike, Harshal, Zehazil, Devjot, Diksha, Charan Tej, Anurag Mazi. Raise your hand, beta. Yes, I want to talk to these. And there are many more. I have taken certain names, those who on daily basis interact with me. Yes, Kartike, why didn't you do the homework?
I
Quickly.
don't have the BART. I don't have the Bharti publication book to
And what
complete the
about the
assignment.
homework? What about the test section?
I did that. I did averages homework, ma'am.
Rutvik, turn on your mic, beta. Rutvik, why didn't you do the assignment?
Ma'am, I don't have Bharati publication book, ma'am.
Bharati publication book is okay, got it. But what about the assignment that I sent? That test section, homework. I sent the questions. I got it. Many of you, whoever I ask, you will tell me that, ma'am, I don't have the book. That's why I did not do the homework. But why haven't you attempted the test questions? In that, questions were available. Only 22 students have done that test. Assignments, I know some of you have done because you don't have the book. But what about the test section, homework? What about that? Sherlyn, turn on your mic, beta. Sherlyn, why haven't you attempted that homework?
Ma'am, whenever I go to the test section, so whenever I see, but the dates are of last to last year, then about last year.
It's not last to last year. Ongoing test is always on the top, Sherlyn. Always on the top. You don't have to scroll even. Always on the top. The very first test. It's the ongoing one. Anurag, turn on your mic. Why haven't you done the homework?
The book.
Forget about the book. What about the test that I have sent you in the test section, practice test? What about
Today
that?
I will do. Today I will do.
How will you do today? That is only for 24 hours. Now you cannot do it.
Ma'am,
You
next
got
test
time
we
for 24 hours. After your class ends, that test it starts. Okay, most probably. And you have 24 hours time. That means before your class starts, the test will end so that I can see the performance. But all of you, you raise your hand 10, 20 times to ask your doubt, but you don't attempt your homework. Don't attempt it. Baldev, the homework is in Sainik School Coaching app, right? It is in Sainik School Coaching app. Let me show you the app as well. And everyone, the link has been assigned to you. The link has been assigned to you, dear. This is the app. This particular is the app. In this app, there is test section, right? Test section in which I give you homework. That Shiromani Institute app has been changed to this Sainik School Coaching app. You don't have to download it. It will upgrade itself on its own. It will upgrade itself on its own. You don't have to download again. If you have that Shiromani Institute app, it will automatically upgrade itself and the name will change to Sainik School Coaching. You must have been informed about it. And in this particular app, you have that test section. And you can easily do that. I don't know why you are not doing your homework. And in class, you all are active like such that, oh, only lovable subject is maths for you. The only lovable subject is maths for you. You are such an active student in the class, right? Because active in what? Not active in answering, active in raising your hands and asking your doubt. If I'm playing my part well, I want you also to play your part well. And it's the last warning to every one of you that you have to do your homework. I can accept the excuse for 1% that for those who don't have the book. For that, them also I have this suggestion that please go and buy it if you can. But those who have the book and still if you are not able to do, please don't complain us that ma'am, our performance is so weak. Okay, man, I don't want to waste time further. Today we have to go for what? Today we have to go for average P by Q. And I have given you the last warning. I got the list of students with me. And there are so many students in that list. So many students in that list. So those who are in that list, please don't expect me to think for you. If you're not doing your homework, if you're not doing your assignments, please don't think that I can help you in any way. No, I'll just play my part, I'll teach and I'll go. Okay, so average P by Q questions we will be doing today. And you have your first question on the board. Here you go. This particular question is from RMS 2024. And here you go. Answer in poll. Answer in poll, everyone. Only 15 correct. Shivansh, Lavanish, and Sudeep. Very good, beta. First way to answer me. Good. Oh, Dinesh has also not answered this time. Yuvain has answered correctly. Jashwan, Shubha, Athi, Shanmukha, Litika. Very good, Litika. Gautam, Sunakshi, Atvik, Tanvit. Very good, everyone. Very good. Those who have answered this correctly, beta. Very good. And this question is very easy, beta. See, first let us understand the question. What does the question say? The question says that the average of two number is AB. That means I know the average. The average is AB. I shall explain you this in a very traditional way, not in the short trick, so that you get this question, because this question is easy but tricky because it does not have any numbers, digit. It has only the alphabets. Average of two numbers is AB. So AB is my average. One number is A. I can say that, right? That average is equal to what? Average is equal to sum total of observations upon me total number of observations, right? The formula for average is this, and we know it. Now, average ki jagah I can write AB because that's the value given in the question. That is the value given in the question. Average is what? AB. Sum total of observation. One number is A and another number is not known to me. If the number is not known to me, I can consider this to be the x. And total number of observation is what? 2. Total number of observation is what? 2. When I solve this equation, I can easily say that this 2 multiplied by AB is 2AB is equal to A plus X. 2AB minus A. This A when shifted to other side of the equals to becomes A minus A is equal to X. X is the value that I have to find. That means the other number. So my answer is what? 2AB minus A. That is option A. 2AB minus A. That is option A. Yes, Dinesh?
Option A, but it showed I clicked option B.
No, beta. Option A is the correct one. Did it show option B?
Yes, teacher, I clicked option A, but
Oh, might be internet glitch there. Yes, Rachna?
You said that AB 2AB minus A is equal to X, ma'am. Why the answer is AB minus A, 2AB minus A, ma'am?
Because of this process, Rachna. Okay, let me explain this again there. Okay, see. The question says average of two number is AB. Okay. So here I don't know any digit. I know that the average is what? Average is AB. One of the number is A. You have to find the other number. So average ka formula, only one universal formula we have learned. That is what? Sum total of observation upon the total number of observation. So A is the first number. Second number is not known to me. So I can write plus x upon me 2. And this is the value for what? Average, which is given in the question, that is AB. So AB is equal to first number A plus second number, that is x, upon me 2, because we have two numbers. Now solve this equation. AB into 2 is 2AB. So 2AB is equal to A plus x. Now this A shall be moved to other side of equals to. So 2AB minus A is equal to x, and that will be my answer. Quickly note this down. Quickly note this down there. Note this down means take the screenshot and then I shall move ahead. Only 10 seconds to go. Only 10 seconds there. Here you go. The next one. Oh, let me read the question for you if it's a bit blurred for you. But it is not. I can see easily. The average weight of A, B, and C is 49 kg. The average weight of A and B. The average weight of A and B is 35 kg. And average weight of B and C is 62 kg. You have to find what? You have to find B. You have to find B. Okay. And let me start the poll for you. Just give me a second starting the poll for you. Here you go. Answer. Quickly answer, media. Artvik, Rutvik, and Shivansh. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. This time, 20 of you are given the correct answer. Still so less. Okay, let's see, beta. And this question is very easy if you understand the language. Let's understand the concept of question. The question says, beta, that average weight of A, B, C is 49. A plus B plus C. That means when you add the average weight of A, B, and C, you get 49. And if average weight is 49, total weight will be what? Total weight will be 49 into 3. Total weight will be 49 into 3. That is how much? 147. Weight of A plus B plus C is 49 into 3. Now the question says weight of A plus B, average weight is 35. If average weight of 2% is 35, total weight will be what? 35 into 2, 70. And then the question says that average weight of B and C is 62. That means total weight of B and C will be what? 124. Let me explain this once more. Average weight of A, B, C is 49. If average is 49, total will be what? Average into number of observation. Number of observation is 1, 2, and 3. 3 persons. So 49 into 3, 147. Average weight of A plus B is 35. Total weight will be what? 35 into 2, 70. And average weight of B plus C is 62. Total weight of B plus C will be 62 into 2, that is 124. Now, this B has been calculated twice. This B has been calculated twice. That means AB plus BC, B plus C is what? 70 plus 124. That is 194. AB plus B plus C is 70 plus 124. That is 194. But here B has been calculated twice. B has been calculated twice. So in order to get the weight for B, I shall subtract this 194 from 147. Because I have to remove this B. I have to remove one B. I have to calculate that. So 194 minus 147. You will get 47 as your answer. That is option A. 47 as your answer. That is option A. Yes, Akshay.
Ma'am, I clicked option A, ma'am, but it's coming that I clicked D, ma'am.
No issues there. Yes, Dinesh.
See, this time I did not even get the poll.
Beta Dinesh, I think there might be some network issue. Please exit and rejoin. Yes, Kavya.
Not understand. Can you explain it one more time?
Yes, of course. I shall explain this one more time, Kavya, but I would like to ask you that why didn't you do your homework? Then I will explain this. I never say no to your questions, dear. Then why haven't you done your homework? Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, I was suffering from vomiting, so I did not give the test. And ma'am, I was feeling not much good.
Not much good. Okay. Ready with your that excuse, right? Yes, Litika.
Ma'am, why you should keep only 147? 194 minus 147.
Because 194 is the value beta in which
Yes,
B has
ma'am.
been
But why?
calculated twice.
Yes, ma'am. But why we should take only 147? We can take 124 like this. No?
147 is the value for A plus B plus C. That's why. But Litika, shall I ask you one more thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Why haven't you done your homework?
Where have we done?
Ma'am, we done, ma'am.
We are not.
I cannot see your name in the list, beta.
Ma'am, we done, but we didn't upload, ma'am.
Nahi, what about the test section? The homework that I gave yesterday after the class.
Ma'am, I did that one, ma'am. I get 8 by 10 marks.
I cannot see your name in the list. It's okay. I think there is some spelling mistake here. Here it is showing Litika and here it is showing Likhita. I think there is some spelling mistake. Okay, Litika, you have done your homework. Got it. Yes, Vardhan.
Writing test that when I get first answer the test after directly by itself, ma'am.
Whenever you attempt the test beta, your network should be good. And I know that's why you must have scored 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yes, Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri. Gayatri, your mic is off, beta.
Ma'am, I'm not getting to know where do you get all the assignments and homeworks in the Cyrex School app.
There is the section beta related with the assignment. It's written assignment. It's written test over there in that app. When you open your app, you will go to your Bmkss batch. You will click on the Bmkss batch. You will get it there in the assignment section. And second thing, all of you have been provided with the link of welcome class. All of you in your announcement section. In your announcement section, you have been provided with your welcome class link. That is a proper video that you have to watch in order to understand where you get the assignments. Okay. What happened, Gayatri?
Ma'am, in that I tried, but I didn't get any of the homeworks.
There is homework in the test section. If I upload any picture, that is in the test section. If I upload the chapter name, that is in the assignment section.
Ma'am, I've ordered the Bharatiya publication book and it's coming after 10 days. So is it fine?
Okay, if it's coming after 10 days, please submit your assignments. Okay? Okay, just everyone please lower down your hand. I shall explain this by myself. If you have doubt in this particular question, please lower down your hand. I'm explaining this by myself. The average weight of A, B, and C is 49 kg, right? So if the average weight is 49 kg, beta, total weight of A, B, and C will be what? 49 into 3, that is 147. Weight of A and B is 35 kg, average weight. So total weight will be 35 into 2, that is 70. And average weight of B and C is 62. So total weight will be 62 into 2, that is 124. Now if I add A plus B plus B plus C, it becomes what? 70 plus 124, 194. But in this 194, this B has come twice. This B has come twice. Now, someone asked me that, ma'am, why only 194 minus 147? See, if I tell you A plus B plus B plus C minus A plus B plus C, this is just the concept. So you can say A plus B plus B plus C minus A minus B minus C. Because bracket के बाहर you have minus का sign, so each and every plus will become minus. A minus A is 0. B minus B 0. C minus C 0. You are left with just B. You are left with just B. That's why in order to calculate the average weight of B, you have to subtract the total value of AB and BC minus A plus B plus C. Okay, this question has to be done this way, beta. Okay, one more question to go. Please take a screenshot. Only 10 seconds I'll give. Please take the screenshot. Hands up. Here you go. Mean means average, beta. Mean means average. Okay. And here you go. Answer mean full. This one is easy. I shall give you 30 seconds for it. This one is easy. 30 seconds are enough. Shubha, Sahil, Riddhiman, very good, beta. First three to answer me, very good. Okay, let's see how we have to do this particular question. The mean means what? Always remember that mean is the another name of average. Okay, mean is the another name of average, and average means what? The middle part. Mean means the middle part. Average also means the same. Yesterday I told you that in the class. Now I know that the mean for 13, 14, 19, A and 17 is 22. Average का formula you know, sum total by number of observations, right? I'm writing in short form. Sum total by number of observation. So you can say that average is 22. Sum total will be what? 13 plus 14 plus 19 plus A plus 17. This is A. Upon me, how many values are there? So 3 plus 2, 5. Now you just have to find the value for what? You have to find the value for A. You have to find the value for A. So you will first multiply this 22 into 5. And here what you have? 13 plus 14 is 27, right? Or you can make your calculation more easy, but okay. 13 plus 14 is 27. 27 plus 19. So 27 plus 20 is 47 minus 1, 46. And 46 plus 17. So 46 plus 20 is 66 minus 3, 63. This is just a way to calculate orally easily. Okay. Now, this 110, 22 minus into 5 is 110. 63 when moved to the other side becomes minus A. So the value for A will be what? 110 minus 63. That is 47. 110 minus 63. That is 47. That your 47, option B is your answer. Option B is your answer. Yes, what happened, Ritesh? 110 minus 63 is 47. 47 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 minus 63 is 47. Uh, Vihas, Vihas, can you please raise your hand? Vihas, can you please raise your hand? Vihas, if Vihas can hear me, please do raise your hand there. Yes, Akshay, what happened, beta?
Ma'am, I didn't get the poll, ma'am.
Beta, if you're not getting the poll, might be some internet issue, okay? Please don't worry. Vihas, can you please raise your hand there? Yes, Vihas. Do raise, turn on your mic, beta.
Ma'am, I had internet issue, ma'am, so I joined now only, ma'am.
You are very late for the class here. Okay, Vihas, whenever you have to say something, ask anything, you have to raise your hand, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's move ahead. Next question. And here you go, the next one. Because you did not ask me doubt, anyone. So you have this particular question for you. And it is very easy. Okay. So do answer me. Starting the poll for you. Just give me a second. It's what happened, Sanskriti? Sanskriti,
Ma'am, I didn't understand the previous question.
beta, you are late, beta. You have to raise your hand as soon as the question ends. But still, you did not raise your hand, beta. Okay. Well, let me launch the poll for this question and then I shall take your doubts afterwards. Okay, here you go. Okay, Shubha, Vardhan, and Kartike. Very good, beta. Only 10 correct answer. Okay, let me see how many of you have done correct. Kartike and Anyaku. Okay, only 10 correct. Oh. And 42 wrong. Okay, let's see, beta. Let's see. Let's see if D is correct or A is correct. A batsman makes a score of 87 runs in 17th match, right? 87 runs in 17th match. And when he scored this 87 runs, he increases his average by what? By 3. He increases his average by 3. Now, just see. Average is increased by 3. What shall be the average? The average must have been whatever was the average first. Whatever was the average first, in that plus 3. The old average you can understand like this. The old average. I'm writing too big. It won't be solved in this much step. Average is given to me, right? Average is not given to me. Only I know that in 17th match, he has scored how much? He has scored 87 runs. And in remaining 16 match, 1 to 16 match, how much he must have scored? So if the average is X, suppose the old average is X, how much he must have scored? 16 into X, that is 16X. Let the batsman, just give me a second, I'm reading one chat. 17 match will be. Lishant, can you please turn on your mic beta for once? Lishant, 5685. Just give me a second, beta. I know this is the time waste for 5 minutes, but just a second. Lishant, can you please turn on your mic? Lishant, can you please turn on your mic? Just give me a second. Let me check if he's in the class or not. One second, beta. I'm really sorry to waste your time. But give me a second, beta. Because I think he's using Chat GPT. Lishant, you are there in the class. I can see you here. Wait. Still not answering. Okay, please don't use Chat GPT, beta. Please don't use Chat GPT. Do the questions wrong. Do it wrong. But please don't take help from the Chat GPT or Google. If you are telling me that, ma'am, 36 is the wrong answer, 39 is the correct, let us solve and see. Let us solve and see. Okay, so if the old average is X, and so the total score that runs that he must have scored, okay, total runs that he must have scored will be what? 16 into X. 16 into X. And 16X plus 87. 16x plus 87 will be what? 16x plus 87 will be total score that he has scored after 17th match. Total score that he has scored after 17th match, right? And then if I have to calculate the average for 17 matches, I have to calculate the average for 17 matches. I have to divide it by 17. And this average is equal to what? Old average plus 3. Because in my question, it has been said that average increases by 3. Average increases by 3. Now just solve this equation and you will get your answer. 16x plus 87 is equal to 17x plus 3. Because the 17 when moved to the other side will become multiply. Here it is division. It will become multiply. 16x plus 87 is equal to 17x plus 51. Right? 16x plus 87 is equal to 17x plus 51. 87 minus 51. This 51 plus comes to this side of 0 becomes minus is equal to 17x minus 16x. 36 is equal to x. 36 is equal to x. So if old average is being asked, so old average will be what? 36. If new average is asked, so new average was new averages increased by 3, that is 36 plus 3, 39. Old average, that means average up to 16th match is 36. New average, that means average after 17th match is 39. So option D will be your correct answer. You should have waited for me to solve it, right? If the answer showed it wrong, you must have waited for me to solve it, beta. And please don't use ChatGPT, everyone. Please. If you use ChatGPT, how will you check your performance and how shall I check your performance? That means most of you who are giving answer in 1 second, you are using ChatGPT. Okay, I can see many hand raises. If you have doubts in solving this question, please lower down your hand. I shall explain this again. I shall explain this again. If you have doubts in this particular question, you want me to solve it, please lower down your hand. Okay. Yes, Adrik. Till then,
It is showing. Ma'am, it is showing that the answer is A, ma'am, but I clicked D.
Answer is D. Yes, Ritika.
Ma'am, in this particular question, how to identify it is old average or new average?
Beta, old average means what? Old average means average before 17th match, right? That is after 16th match. And new average means average after 17th match, because it's written in the question that after 17th match, average increases by 3. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sahil Shabana.
The answer D, but it is showing as answer A.
Better if everyone has given answer D and it showed answer A. Answer D is the correct one. Please don't raise your hand for this. Yes, Sanskriti.
How did 87 minus 51 come? And 17 minus 16.
Explaining this again, beta. Yes, Rachna. Quickly.
Ma'am, how 16x plus 87 is equals to 17 plus 51 came, ma'am?
Okay. Everyone have doubt in this particular question. Please pay attention. I will explain it 2 times. Okay. I shall explain this 2 times, but only 2 times. Batsman makes a score of 87 in 17th match. I don't know how much he has scored in first match, second match, third match, fourth match, up to 16 matches. It is not given in the question. So I will assume that on an average, he must have scored X. He must have scored X. If on an average, he has scored X in each match, so total score from 1 match to 16 match will be what? 16 into X. 16 into X. And it is given in the question that 17th match he scored 87. Now, new average will be what? New average will be, old average is X. New average is increased by 3. Written in the question. So new average is old average plus 3. New average is old average plus 3. And This is also new average. Why new average? How new average? So 16 into X is the total score up to 16 matches plus 87. Score for the 17th match. So total score up to 17th match will be 16X plus 87. And upon may we write what? Number of observation. That is 70. I shall explain this part once more. Please pay attention. And then I will tell you how to solve the equation. First, let's understand how did the equation comes. Old average, I assumed as X. It is not mentioned. I assumed old average to be X. And if old average is X, old average means what? Average up to 16th match. Average up to 16th match is X. So total score up to 16th match will be what? 16 into X. 16 into X. And I know that it is written in the question that in 17th match he has scored 87. So I can say that sum total of observation. Sum total of observation is what? 16x, that is score up to 16 match plus score in 17th match. So 16x plus 87 upon me what? Number of observation, total 17 matches. So 17, this is my new average. The question also says that if 17th match he scores 87, average increases by 3. Whatever is the old average is increases by 3. So if old average is X, it will increase by 3. This is also my new average. Sum total of observation by number of observation. This is also my new average because it is mentioned in the question. X is old average. Old average means average score up to 16th match. Now just solve this equation. This 17 divided this side, when moved to other side of the equal to, it will be multiplied by X plus 3. So 16x plus 87 as it is written is equal to 17 multiplied by x plus 3. This is the part of solving the equation. Now 17 bracket means what? Multiply. Bracket means multiply. So 17 into x is 17x. 17 into 3 is 51. 16x when moved to other side becomes minus. So 17x minus 16x. And this is 87. This plus 51 when moved to the other side of the equal to becomes minus 51. So 17 minus 16 is 1x. 1x means x. So x की value is what? 87 minus 51, that is 36. So my old average, that means average up to 16th match. Average up to 16th match is 36. And new average, that is average after 17th match is x plus 3. That is 36 plus 3, 39. 36 plus 3, 39. Please note this down, everyone, beta. Yes, Jai Krishna.
I clicked D only, ma'am. But it came like it's a wrong answer. The correct answer.
Beta, I told you, everyone, beta, might be possible that you must have seen A as the correct answer. But if I'm telling you that D is the correct answer, listen to your teacher. Accept that, yes, D is the correct answer. Please note this down, everyone. Note this down, everyone. Quickly take the screenshot. And that's it for today. We shall be learning more in the next class. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.